From what we know from intervention studies, changing both physical activity and obesity have independent and joint effects on prevention of diabetes. Certainly in some populations it appears all to be mediated via obesity, but in others there are big impacts of physical activity change that alter diabetes risk in the absence of obesity change. So the jury is a bit open about their relative importance in studies between populations. Etiologically, in observational studies, the question of which risk factor is most important can be taken at several different levels. If you start by saying which is most important by virtue of its strongest association, you'd conclude that obesity was most important because it's a very strong risk factor. But that conclusion might be a little bit unsound because obesity is so much better measured than physical activity. And in general in epidemiology, we underestimate the importance of poorly measured exposures. And physical activity is really poorly measured in most large-scale observational studies. And when you take that into consideration and adjust for it, physical activity is an extremely important risk factor on its own and through obesity, and we need to take it more seriously.